You're wide awake at 2 a.m. staring at the ceiling and asking yourself, why can't I just fall asleep? You're not the only one. Millions of people face the same frustrating loop every night. The more they worry about not sleeping, the harder it becomes to drift off. The good news? There's a proven, science-backed method that can break this cycle, and it doesn't involve sleeping pills. It's called CBTI, or Cognitive Behavioral Therapy for Insomnia, a practical, step-by-step approach that retrains both your mind and body to sleep naturally again. Here's how it works. Step 1. Learn how sleep really works. Understanding your body's sleep-wake cycle, why insomnia happens, and why it's not your fault takes away a lot of the fear that keeps you awake. Knowledge itself is calming. Step 2. Sleep restriction. This might sound strange, but you actually spend less time in bed, only as much as you usually sleep. This builds up natural sleep pressure so when bedtime comes, your body is ready to rest. Step 3. Stimulus control. Stop turning your bed into a place of frustration. If you're awake for more than 15 to 20 minutes, get up and do something relaxing until you feel sleepy again. This rewires your brain to link the bed with sleep, not with stress. Step 4. Challenge negative thoughts. I'll never fall asleep or tomorrow will be ruined are thoughts that keep your brain on high alert. CBTI teaches you to replace these with calmer, more neutral thoughts so your nervous system can relax. Step 5. Relaxation techniques. Deep breathing, meditation, or even progressive muscle relaxation can slow your heart rate and signal to your body that it's safe to fall asleep. The best part? CBTI builds habits that last. Unlike sleeping pills, which only work temporarily, CBTI helps you create a healthy relationship with sleep, one that stays with you for life. If you've been stuck in the cycle of sleepless nights, try starting with just one of these steps tonight. Then let me know in the comments which step you're trying first, and hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next video on sleeping better and feeling your best.